Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'll be taking you through how to use our Employee Counselling Form. Employee counselling forms are a great tool to document the content of an employee counselling session, whether that is just between the manager and the employee, or if it involves another person, such as a counsellor, support person, or witness to an incident. This template includes a summary of the workplace issue or incident and space to develop a corrective plan of action. An employee counselling form can also serve to structure your counselling session. Our employee counselling form is designed to be used by both experienced employee counsellors and employers who may be counselling an employee for the first time. Whatever your background, this form can help you to conduct your employee counselling session in a productive and structured way. Professionals who may find this form useful are listed here. The first step is to fill in the employee's information. This includes their name, job title, department, manager's name, date of the workplace incident or issue, and the names of any others present at the counselling session. Next, select a reason for the counselling session from the list provided, or write your own under the Other section. The description of the workplace issue should be specific, non-judgmental, and factual in nature. Include specific dates and times as relevant. The summary of corrective plan of action may include specific actions to be taken to rectify the workplace issue, any disciplinary action, consequences for failing to comply with the corrective plan of action, or any other interventions to help the employee rectify this issue. It's important the employee feels heard during this process, so allow them the chance to make a statement and voice their point of view in the employee statement section. Once the rest of the sections are filled in, have the relevant parties sign the document in the space provided at the bottom of the form. To get a better idea of what this form might look like once it's completed, we have provided a sample employee counselling form for you to read here. Feel free to pause at any point. To access this form from within Carepatron, click Templates from the menu on the left-hand side. Ensure you're filtering by community templates to see Carepatron's full range of templates. Search by keyword and click the result you'd like to use. Select the client you would like to attach this form to, and the template is loaded into your draft tab. Simply fill it out here, and when you're done, click Publish.